Hi guys, Shah here at the Tech Borg, and today, or right now, in this video, I'm going to be doing Python, and this one's going to be more fun, I guess, because it's going to be something fairly new to me as well, obviously. Everything I show you is actually fairly new to me. Anyway, let's get on with it. So, firstly, I'd like to go over, so what we're doing today is we're going to be looking at like having something in a list, a value, and then we're going to have a definition of that value. So okay, let's make a list first. So I'm just going to call it literally, okay, we can't call it list 1 is equal to, and then in brackets you want to have your stuff, but because we are connecting them, we have to have a colon between them, and that's how you connect them, like that, like so. Okay, so let's say we had hello, and then let's say the definition of that is formal greeting. Let's say we had by informal departure, I'm not sure. Let's say we had hey, informal greeting. Okay, so we've got all these things. Okay, so we've got our value, we've given the value a definition, and then we've got another value, we've given that definition, we've got another value, given that definition. So we've got 3 in total, and let's say you want to print out each and every one of them one by one. So you want to print out this with this only, this with this only, this with this only. So one way we can look at it, if you don't know the method I will teach you in a bit, is you can run through if statements, not if statements, sorry, you can literally just do print, and then you want to print only the first bit of it, so you want to print list 1 and then squiggly brackets 0, and then you'd have to repeat that on and on for the next bits. So obviously it's not very efficient, because let's say you had a long list and you had to do it, is it very efficient? So let me just save this, save as H. Okay, invalid syntax, what is it? What's invalid? Yeah, I just realized you meant to use semicolons. So stupid. Semicolons, obviously semicolons. When in coding, do you ever use colons? You use it after if statements, elif statements. So if we run this now, save it, F5. Okay, invalid syntax, how come? No, I'm quite sure it's a colon. Not a semicolon, but I believe this is the new updated Python, so it's going to be slightly different. Let me just retry it one more time. I'm quite sure it won't work, but let's do it anyway, just for the sake of it. And yeah, it's not working. I believe I have found the problem, and it's very straightforward. We all know how crazy Python is. I believe I put the wrong brackets. Yes, laugh at me. I have put the wrong brackets, feels bad. F5, and it should work now, it should work. Yes, it's working. Okay, it's, okay, I see. Key error 0. Okay, whatever. But the point is that now we've got this to work, and let's say we want to print each and every one of these out. Well, we have to keep on repeating this that many times, and we don't want that to happen, right? And the only way we can make sure it doesn't happen, and by the way, this was giving an error because you can't do it like this, because there's obviously 2 sections in one of them, so you have to use a different style. I'll explain it in a different video, but for now, I just want to tell you that it's exhaustive to do it, like repeating the same line, something similar to this again and again, to print out this and this and this, and I don't think someone would be happy reading all those lines of code. So is there a way to make it straightforward? Well, the answer is yes. Python is very easy, very straightforward, and they always have a simple solution for Python. It's really simple, and the answer to that is for loops. So for, and we want to make 2 variables because we want to make hello one variable and this another variable and this a variable and this another variable. So we can just give 2 general things, isn't it? For AB in, and then you want to have list L dot, and then after this point it's important that you obviously get the structure right. List dot items, and then you want to have that, and then you want to print A plus B, and hopefully this should work. If there's an error, we'll fix it together. Okay, list L is not defined. oh, arrow L, sorry. As you know, Python is very stupid when it comes to basic things. And as you can see, it has worked. Obviously, it hasn't separated it because I haven't separated it over here. But the gist is that it's working. So hello, formal greeting, bye, informal departure, hey, informal greeting. So it's quite useful. I mean, let's say you had like a whole bank of, let's say you had like a name of a patient here and their problem, name of the patient and their problem, and you wanted to get that all down. Well, I guess 2 lines of code does everything for you. It's just these 2 lines. At least you don't have to repeat print list L and then you want to find the specific value of hello in list L and print that hello with the formal greeting. It's quite hard actually to do that. It's quite long as well. So I mean, this is a simple, nice, simple solution, and this is also known as like creating a definition, I guess. So creating like the argument and then like the definition could be seen as not really an argument, because technically the value inside here is an argument. The value inside the brackets normally are arguments. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.